Alright, so I came in a little bit late into the day. Missed out on some key opportunities because of that. But we're now looking at the VIX, which is a good I feel indicator or um, good. Well, pretty much if you want to track the ES, at least for me, it's a good way to keep um, good indication of a possible price action is maybe looking at the VIX. Here we broke below 2750 and then below 2746 overnight. Bounced off this 2745. Good opportunity to short in this area in here. So you had the first initial, then a second, and then we traded along here. I was hoping to see some recovery up from here. That did not happen. Instead, we got a nice short to the downside. We got a you had a re-entry or an add here, continual short there. My long biased was tough. I think having positions on kind of kept me a little bit biased towards the upside and hoping we would recover. If anything, we do need to recover. If we do end up wanting to get bullish by the end of the day, we do have to recover 27.47 over here. Get above 27.45. And it's a pretty early in the day. A lot could happen, but definitely wanting to wait for a good indication of possible upside potential. All right, now I'm not really seeing that, especially with the VIX up almost 10%. Yes, that's what we're looking at right now. Also looking at the euro, or gonna be looking at these. I have this selection of future markets that I'm gonna be looking at. Got the euro, the palladium, platinum. No, what's this one? Platinum. Yes, platinum, gold, silver, copper. Got a little bit of some. Got an oil trade early right now. And then we got the ES, the Dow, natural gas, the NKD, the Nikkei, Russells, and the tech Qs. So although I will be focusing mostly on some key on some specific ones, I'll be mostly focusing on ES and oil, or sometimes just on one single one. But I do want to see what other opportunities as I go along I can kind of keep track of, and I might be able to at least just watch and kind of learn from, and see what opportunities are out there, and I will be looking to take some if possible. Right now we're seeing this right here, this whole area, got a little breakdown below it, possible recovery coming into place on platinum. That would be a nice little U-shape. I got even some risk reward happening here. A little bit more of a downside pull than I would prefer. I'd rather have it go a little bit more sideways, a little bit more on the flatter end instead of dropping all the way down there. But yeah, so that's what I'll be doing for today. I'll be just taking a look at different markets. Already did a little quick review of the trade I did in oil, and how I was thinking about going into that. Yes, that's what we have going on.